If the toilet bowl does not have enough water before plunging, add water carefully so the plunger can form a proper seal and generate suction. Start by checking the tank to see if it has adequate water level. If it is low, slightly lift the tank handle and hold it so the bowl refills without triggering a full flush that could overflow. If the tank water is fine but the bowl is still low, pour a bucket of room temperature water directly into the bowl from hip height to create momentum and fill to the normal level near the rim. Use a flange plunger for toilets with a trapway flange and a cup plunger for flat-bottomed fixtures, and ensure the plunger head is submerged so every press and pull moves water, not air. Position the plunger over the drain hole and push down slowly at first to expel trapped air, then employ steady, forceful thrusts of 3 to 5 seconds each, keeping the seal intact. After several vigorous pumps, pull up sharply on the final attempt to break the blockage and allow water to drain. Repeat the pour and plunge cycle if necessary. If repeated plunging fails, try using a closet auger by inserting the flexible cable into the bowl and cranking the handle while applying gentle pressure to dislodge obstructions. 3 common mistakes are starting to plunge with too little water, which allows air to compress and prevents suction, overfilling the bowl by triggering a full flush, which risks overflow, and using the wrong plunger type, which wastes effort and can damage seals. To fix the first, always add water by lifting the tank handle slightly or pouring from a bucket until the plunger head is submerged. To avoid overflow, never fully flush when topping up the bowl and pour slowly from a bucket if needed. If you have the wrong tool, switch to a flange plunger for elongated toilets or a cup plunger for flat bowls, and use a closet auger for stubborn blockages. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for repairs like toilet troubleshooting and plumbing work, and we connect contractors with homeowners looking for jobs. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about home projects.